Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are well and performing well in your studies and doing your job and doing your work in a very proper manner. So, we are studying the chapter psychological disorder, and we have read almost most of the disorders. We have discussed it. Yesterday, we have discussed about the behavioral and developmental disorder. So today we are going to discuss about the next type of disorder, which is a substance use disorder. Yes, children, you feel very surprised to hear that substance use disorder भी होते हैं, but it is very true कि it is also there. Substance use disorder. Substance use disorder means the word substance is written over here. So obviously by taking a different kind of substance, the people may develop a disorder. Like being a habit of that one, being in a habituation is also somewhere a difficult thing. Taking any kind of substance on a regular basis may also create a problem for a person. The person become addictive of that one, the person want to take it again and again, some kind of withdrawal symptom, some kind of tolerance symptom came, and in order to remove such kind of symptom, the person used to take that drug again and again. So addictive behavior, whether it involves excessive intake of high calorie food resulting in extreme obesity or involving the abuse of substances such as alcohol or cocaine, is one of the most severe problems being faced by society today. Disorders relating to the maladaptive behavior resulting from regular and consistent use of the substance involved are called substance abuse disorder. These disorders include problems associated with using and abusing such drugs. Abusing, what do you understand by abusing? Abusing means misusing. Somewhere related to misusing the drugs such as alcohol, cocaine, heroin, which alter the way people think, feel and behave. There are two subgroups and substance use disorder, that is those related to the substance dependence and those related to substance abuse. Here a word is written substance abuse disorder. What is the meaning of substance abuse disorder? Consistent use, regular and consistent use of the substance. Sometimes, children, it has been found that if you take any kind of substance on a regular basis, so somewhere a kind of maladaptive behavior और इस तरीके के बिहेवियर होने लगते हैं. पर्सन्स कभी कभी किसी सब्सटेंस को रेगुलर बेसिस पे लेने से, कंसिस्टेंटली लेने से कुछ बिहेवियर्स में चेंजेस आते हैं. इट ऑल्टर द पीपल्स परसेप्शन, इट ऑल्टर द पीपल्स वे ऑफ थिंकिंग एंड फीलिंग एंड एक्शन, which was somewhere hazardous for a person's well-being. The two terms which you have to read in this one is substance dependence and substance abuse. The one is substance dependence and substance abuse. It's very important for you to understand these two terms, substance dependence and second is substance abuse. The first came the substance dependence. What is the meaning of substance dependence and what is the meaning of substance abuse and what is the difference between these two? Both you have to understand it in a very proper manner because they are very important for your board examination and they will definitely come. Okay? Substance dependence क्या होता है? Substance dependence में दो चीजें आती हैं. The two important things came. The first is the tolerance symptom and another is the withdrawal symptom. The two things came under this one, tolerance and withdrawal. What is the difference between tolerance and withdrawal? Tolerance क्या होता है? Tolerance means the person has to use more and more of a substance to get the same effect. जब हम किसी भी substance को लेते हैं, ठीक है। सब्सटेंस यानी कोई भी सब्सटेंस, मैंने बोला था जिसकी आप एडिक्टिव हो जाते हो। तो अब जब हम लोग लेते हैं उस सब्सटेंस को, तो वो सब्सटेंस हमें कोई एक इफेक्ट देता है। वो इफेक्ट प्लेजरेबल भी हो सकता है, मोस्टली प्लेजरेबल होता है। कभी हम उस इफेक्ट को बार बार लेने के लिए उस दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस की इनटेक हम लोग बार बार करते हैं, तो दैट इज अ टॉलरेंस सिम्टम। टॉलरेंस सिम्टम मीन्स सेम इफेक्ट देता है, means the person has to use more and more of a substance to get the same effect. Similarly, withdrawal क्या है? Withdrawal is different from the tolerance. Withdrawal refers to physical symptom that occur when a person stop or cut down on the use of a psychoactive substance. That is a substance that has the ability to change an individual's consciousness, mood and thinking process. विड्रॉल सिम्टम क्या हो रहा है? विड्रॉल सिम्टम जैसे आपने वो सब्सटेंस लेना बंद कर दिया। अब वो सब्सटेंस बंद करने की वजह से आप में जो भी सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं, दैट कम अंडर द विड्रॉल सिम्टम। Two effects have been seen of the substance, taking a substance, either the substance tolerance came or the substance withdrawal. ये both are the terms related to the substance dependent, that is making you to depend on that particular substance. So I hope children you understand about the substance dependence. So in substance dependence में two things are important, tolerance and withdrawal. Tolerance means in order to get again the same effect again and again, we take that particular drug repeatedly. And withdrawal means in order to avoid the withdrawal symptom which are coming after stopping taking that drug, so उस symptom को avoid करने के लिए we start to have that substance. So this is known as substance dependent. So in substance dependence there is intense craving for the substance to which the person is addicted, and the person shows tolerance, withdrawal symptom and compulsive drug taking. Tolerance means that the person has to use more and more of a substance to get the same effect, and withdrawal refers to the physical symptom that occur when a person stop or cut down on the use of a psychoactive substance. That is a substance that has the ability to change individual consciousness, mood and thinking process. I want children from you all to note it down, the simple meaning of a substance dependence in your copy. So I hope you all will write with me and note it down. So first one is the substance dependence. So what is substance dependence? Substance dependence क्या है? Just check the spelling also. Spelling should not be error, will not become. Okay, so substance dependence क्या है? There is a substance dependence is intense craving for the substance. Intense craving for the substance is substance dependence. Intense craving for the substance. Okay, then person shows tolerance, withdrawal symptom. Person shows tolerance and withdrawal symptoms. The person shows tolerance and withdrawal symptom. Or compulsive drug taking, or compulsive drug taking. Compulsive drug taking. ठीक है? Please note it down in your copy. So I just hope you all have noted it down about the substance dependent. This is the meaning of the substance dependent. Now you should have the meaning of the tolerance. What is the meaning of tolerance? Please note it down. This one also. कि tolerance क्या होता है? What is tolerance? So tolerance means that the person has to. Tolerance means that the person has to, tolerance means that the person has to use more and more of a, use more and more of a, use more and more of a substance, use more and more of a substance to get the same effect. Okay, please note it down, children. Tolerance means that the person has to use more and more of a substance to get the same effect. This is the meaning of tolerance, which can be beneficial for you for learning for your examination. Next, you should write down about the withdrawal. So please note it down about the withdrawal. What is the meaning of the withdrawal symptom? Withdrawal refers to physical symptom. Withdrawal refers to physical symptom. Withdrawal refers to physical symptom that occur. Withdrawal refers to physical symptom that occur when a person stops. That occur when a person stop or cut down. When a person stop or cut down on the use of, cut down on the use of psychoactive substance. Psychoactive substance. On the use of psychoactive substance. Please note it down the meaning of withdrawal, which will going to help you for writing in your examination. So these two things come under the substance dependent. Now the second part of substance use disorder is substance abuse. I hope substance डिपेंडेंस आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. आप समझ रहे होंगे सब्सटेंस डिपेंडेंस क्या होता है. The person is completely dependent on that substance and the person have an intense craving for that substance. And due to this, it may have the two effects, the withdrawal symptom and the tolerance symptom. The next is the substance abuse. Substance abuse. ये क्या होता है ये अब हम समझेंगे. Substance abuse. In substance abuse, there are recurrent and significant adverse consequences related to the use of substance. People who regularly ingest drugs damage their family and social relationships, perform poorly at work and create physical hazard. इसका बहुत एडवर्स कॉन्सिक्वेंस पड़ता है. पर्सन अब एडिक्टेड हो चुका होता है कंप्लीटली टुवर्ड दी सब्सटेंस. Now the person is not having any kind of withdrawal symptom, not having any kind of tolerance symptom. कोई भी तरीके का कोई भी withdrawal symptom भी नहीं आता, ना tolerance symptom आता है. Person is completely addictive of that substance and he is known to be the substance abuse. Now it have a serious consequences on the person's health, physical as well as psychological. It completely damage their family and social relationship. They perform very poorly at work. It create physical hazard also. I think many of the time you have seen on the road, the people used to be just lie there no one is there to take care of them. So they are completely substance abuse. Okay. So I hope children you understand about the difference between substance dependence and substance abuse. Both of the terms are very much clear to you all. Apart from this substance dependence and substance abuse, there are different kind of disorder which you have to understand under the substance use disorder. कौन कौन से ऐसे सब्सटेंस यूज डिसऑर्डर हैं जो कि आपको पढ़ने हैं, जैसे कि अल्कोहल अब्यूज एंड डिपेंडेंस और हेरोइन अब्यूज एंड डिपेंडेंस, कोकाइन अब्यूज एंड डिपेंडेंस. The three categories you have to read, children. So let's start studying about this one. So let's start about discussing about that one. Okay, one second. Okay, so first here came the alcohol abuse and dependence. I think you have know about the alcohol. Everybody's know, which is very injurious for your health, and everywhere is written alcohol should not be taken by the person. But those who are addictive of that substance, they are unable to be deprived of that one. They take it again. Obviously, they have a tolerance symptom, they have a withdrawal symptom, and some are a substance abuse also. So we are reading about the alcohol abuse and dependence both. Abuse and dependence. People who abuse alcohol drink large amount regularly and rely on it to help them face difficult situation. Rely on them, पूरी तरह से dependent हो जाते हैं, जो उसे regularly लेने लगते हैं. Eventually, the drinking interfere with their social behavior and ability to think and work. सोचने और समझने की जो पावर होती है वो भी वो कम कर देता है. सोशल वर्ल्ड में जो उनके रिलेशनशिप हैं वो भी डिस्टर्ब होते हैं. फॉर मैनी पीपल द पैटर्न ऑफ अल्कोहल अब्यूज एक्सटेंड टू डिपेंडेंस. That is, their body build up a tolerance for alcohol and they need to drink even greater amount to feel its effect. They also experience withdrawal responses when they stop drinking. Okay, so those who are dependent on alcohol, they have both tolerance symptom also as well as they have the withdrawal symptom. When they stop drinking the alcohol, they stop intaking of alcohol, they also develop so many kind of withdrawal symptom. Like withdrawal symptom क्या होता है, जैसे जब वो उसको छोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं तो जैसे नॉसिया फीलिंग आती है, वोमिटिंग फीलिंग आती है, स्लीप प्रॉब्लम होता है, ईटिंग प्रॉब्लम होता है उनको. ठीक है, खाने में भी बहुत सारी दिक्कतें मतलब आती हैं, सोने में भी. ठीक है, ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. Alcoholism destroy millions of families. Alcoholism, the social relationship and career. अल्कोहलिक जो होते हैं वो पूरी तरह से अपने रिलेशनशिप को भी डिस्टर्ब कर लेते हैं. आपने सुना होगा दोज हु रिलाई ऑन दी अल्कोहल, जो अल्कोहल पे रिलाई करते हैं उनका कोई सोशल रिलेशनशिप नहीं होता. इवन दे डिस्टर्ब देयर फैमिली ऑल्सो एंड दे वर्क लाइफ ऑल्सो. करियर भी नहीं बना पाते अपना, तो ऑब्वियसली इट समवेयर अफेक्ट देयर ओवरऑल फंक्शनिंग. Intoxicated drivers are responsible for many road accidents. It also has serious effect on children of person with this disorder. Okay, बच्चों पे भी बहुत इफेक्ट डालता है अगर पेरेंट लाइक फैमिली में कोई इस तरीके के डिसऑर्डर्स से अफेक्टेड है तो. These children have a higher rates of psychological problem, particularly anxiety, depression, phobia and substance related disorder. Like in families, if any of the member having a substance abuse or dependence of alcohol, so it disturb their families also. It disturb the children of such kind of family. How it disturb? So excessive drinking can seriously damage physical health. Some of the ill effects of alcohol on health and psychological functioning can be discussed with you. What are the effects of the alcohol on the physical health of an individual? So, I hope children you are understanding what I am trying to explain to you all about the alcohol abuse and dependence. How the alcohol is affecting the so many families. How the children of such family, if their family member is addictive of the alcohol, so the children also disturb, so also develop some kind of psychological problem like anxiety, depression, phobia. Okay, or maybe they also, when they grow up and when they become adulthood, they also develop some kind of substance related disorder. So it is very serious to understand. Now, very important point, how it has an effect on our physical health. So what is the effect of the alcohol? Let us study about it. There are some facts related to the alcohol. First, all alcohol beverages contain ethyl. सभी अल्कोहल में सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि इथाइल होता है. The chemical is absorbed into the blood and carried it to the CNS, central nervous system, which comprise of, if you have remember in class 11, आप सबसे पहली बात मैंने क्या बताई कि अल्कोहल में इथाइल होता है और वो ब्लड में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है और एक मैसेज भेजता है CNS को, जिसमें ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड दोनों आते हैं, where it depresses or slow down functioning को slow down कर देता है. Ethyl alcohol depresses those area in the brain that control judgment and inhibition. Very important point. जो judgment और inhibition को control करता है, उस area को ये suppress कर देता है पूरी तरह से. ठीक है? Depresses those area in the brain that control judgment and inhibition. People become more talkative and friendly, and they feel more confident and happy. After taking this one, इनिबिशन और जजमेंट उनका डिप्रेस हो जाता है, तो वे बहुत ज़्यादा टॉकेटिव हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली हो जाते हैं और कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं और हैप्पी होते हैं. एज अल्कोहल इज एब्जॉर्ब, इट अफेक्ट अदर एरियाज ऑफ द ब्रेन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, drinkers are unable to make sound judgment. You have observed, if you have observed any kind of alcoholic, so obviously you are relating these symptoms which I am telling you right now. Okay, तो उनको साउंड जजमेंट यानी उनको आवाज़ें सुनाई देना भी बंद हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो अदर एरियाज को भी अफेक्ट करता है. जैसे टेम्पोरल लोब जो होते हैं वो इट इज़ फॉर द ऑडिटरी इंफॉर्मेशन, तो वो उस एरिया को भी अफेक्ट करता है. तो साउंड जजमेंट या स्पीच बिकम लेस केयरफुल एंड लेस क्लियर एंड मेमोरी फॉल्टर. ठीक है, स्पीच भी क्लियर नहीं होती है, देखोगे लड़खड़ा के बोलते हैं, स्टैमर करते हैं, और मेमोरी फॉल्टर. मेनी पीपल बिकम इमोशनल, लाउड एंड एग्रेसिव. कुछ इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, मोटर डिफिकल्टी इंक्रीज होती है, प्रॉपर मूवमेंट नहीं होता. आप देखेंगे लड़खड़ा के चलते हैं, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पीपल बिकम अनस्टेडी व्हेन दे वॉक एंड क्लमजी इन परफॉर्मिंग सिंपल एक्टिविटीज. विजन बिकम ब्लर्ड, विजन सही नहीं होता, ब्लर दिखाई देता है. दे हैव ट्रबल इन हियरिंग, दे हैव डिफिकल्टी इन ड्राइविंग और इन सॉल्विंग सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. तो ये सब कुछ इफेक्ट्स होते हैं अल्कोहल के, एंड दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ इथाइल which contain in the alcohol and it absorb into the blood and give messages to the CNS, central nervous system, which comprise of brain and spinal cord. So I hope children you have understand about the alcohol now. alcohol आप अच्छे से समझ गए हो alcohol को. आगे बढ़ेंगे हम लोग हेरोइन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट अब्यूज एंड डिपेंडेंस इज हेरोइन. Just keep in mind the spelling error should not be there. Okay, it's E is not here. It's not heroin. Okay, heroin. Heroin is also one of the drug, one of the substance which also have a symptoms of withdrawal and tolerance. Okay. Heroin intake significantly interfere with social and occupational functioning. Most abusers further develop a dependence on heroin, revolving their lives around it, building up a tolerance for it, and experiencing a withdrawal reaction when they stop taking it. The most direct danger of heroin abuse is an overdose. Overdose इसका बहुत harmful होता है, which slow down the respiratory center in the brain, almost paralyzing breathing and in many cases causing death. So it is somewhere is related to the poison. Poison तो अल्कोहल भी है. See, overdose तो किसी का भी harmful है, but heroin अगर overdose हो जाए तो it may lead to death also, and at a sudden death, at the moment death. So just be careful and have a knowledge about each and everything. Okay, I hope you are understanding and you are writing. The last one is cocaine. Cocaine, I think it is a substance which you all are aware about. It mostly contain in tea and coffee में ये contain होता है. Cocaine abuse and dependence. Same it is. Regular use of cocaine may lead to a pattern of abuse in which the person may be intoxicated throughout the day and function poorly in social relationship and at work. It may also cause problem in short term memory. Short term memory में सभी का कुछ ना कुछ एरिया, जैसे अल्कोहल CNS में जा रहा है, हेरोइन जो है वो रेस्पिरेटरी सेंटर जितने भी हैं ब्रेन के, जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं चिल्ड्रन वो आपको लिखने ही लिखने हैं. रेस्पिरेटरी, सॉरी मैंने स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिखा है, वंस अगेन आई एम रबिंग इट. ओके, रेस्पिरेटरी सेंटर जो है ब्रेन के, रेस्पिरेटरी सेंटर्स. ठीक है, फाइन. अल्कोहल CNS. कोकीन जो हो रहा है, कोकीन शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी और अटेंशन में प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. STM एंड अटेंशन. You should know about the different areas, and one more important thing related to the alcohol is also it contains the ethyl, which is creating the problem. Ethyl. Okay, so I am talking about the cocaine. Cocaine cause problem in STM and attention. Dependence may develop so that cocaine dominate the person's life, and more of the drug is needed to get the desired effects. And stopping it result in feeling of depression, fatigue, sleep problem, irritability and anxiety. Cocaine pose serious danger. It has dangerous effect on psychological functioning and physical well-being. Cocaine usually आपके कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स हैं, टी, कॉफी, इन सब में मिलते हैं और इनका भी ओवरडोज नहीं होना चाहिए. Excessive use of any kind of substance or any kind of drug is harmful for your body, for your mind, for your both physical as well as psychological functioning. दोनों के लिए ही हार्मफुल है. क्या हार्मफुल है? Excessive use and overdose. Okay, substance intaking is not harmful, but when you dependent on the substance and when you abuse of that substance, that is something creating a problem. So I hope children you understand about the thing. So I have discussed with you what is substance use disorder. I have discussed with you the two concepts, substance use and substance dependent. Okay, I discussed with you about the tolerance symptom and the withdrawal symptom which come under the substance dependence. I had discussed with you the substance abuse. Then I discussed with you the three important related terms which is related to the substance. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे ड्रग्स हैं बट हमने थ्री मेनली पढ़े, जिसको डिटेल में हमने पढ़ा वो था अल्कोहल, कोकीन एंड हेरोइन. कुछ कॉमनली अब्यूज सब्सटेंसेस हैं जो कि DSM-4 ने दिए थे, जैसे कि कैफीन भी है और कैनेबिस है. हेलुसिनेजेंस आपने सुना होगा, LSD हेलुसिनेजेंस है. इनहेलेंट्स हैं, इनहेलेंट्स भी सब्सटेंस होते हैं. ठीक है, नाइकोटिन है, ओपिएड है और सेडेटिव्स है. इनहेलेंट जैसे गैसोलीन, ग्लू, पेन, थिनर, स्प्रे पेंट्स, ये सब भी सब्सटेंस होते हैं. सम पर्सन आर अडिक्टिव ऑफ दीज सब्सटेंसेस ऑल्सो. सो आई होप आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Still, if you have any doubt on any ground, you will ask me in the classroom, children. Thank you so much for carefully observing this video. Thank you.